Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So we are here to discuss the topic, that is the design of industrial production media, and it comes under the subject upstream and downstream process technology. So the design of the media depends on the various factors. So first of all, we have to understand that what is the fermentation. So fermentation is a metabolic process that consumes the carbon sources such as sugar in the absence of the oxygen. So the media which is required for designing the media, there are various types of factors are associated with this. So we will need 2 lectures for this. So first of all, you have to know about the product, means what type of product you want, like acid, gases, alcohol, what product you want. So this makes the line of your required media. Second, in this which microorganism this products occurs, like either in bacteria or either in yeast. Okay, so because the product is prepared by the microorganism using the carbon sources. Okay, so the microorganism is also associated with the type of the media you will choose. Okay, so the microorganism uh, depend on the various factors also, like the which cellular components in which it is using for the production of the uh, product, and the enzymes available there, the temperature over there, the pH of the media, all affects the media formation. Okay, so again the concentration of microorganism is also essential. Okay, so the products we need can be categorized into various categories. Okay, such as you want to produce the biomass, for example in production of the baker's yeast. Okay, or you want to produce the metabolites, okay, intracellular or extracellular metabolites. You want to produce the enzymes. You want to not to produce one anything, but simply want to transform the substrate into the product, or one isotope into the other isomer. Okay, so these are the requirements for the choosing the bacteria or the um, your media composition. Okay, so again the microorganisms require various factors also, the as we have discussed, the carbon source, the water concentration, the carbon source, the nitrogen source, minerals, elements, and vitamins, oxygen. uh, they all make the constitution of your media, culture media or production media you want to grow. So what are the requirements of the microorganism? Again, the scale of the production, you want to grow at a low level scale or at an industrial scale. Okay, this is also needed, because at the industrial scale you have to choose the source of energy which should be cost effective. Okay, so what is the criteria for selection of the media? So you need that such type of media that will be cost effective. Okay, and that will give you the maximum product means whatever you want to produce, the biomass or the enzymes, extracellular product, intracellular product, or the metabolites, whatever. And it should be fast, the production should be fast, and it should uh, produce the minimal secondary metabolites or secondary products. Okay, so the cost of the purification will be low. Okay, again, you want to produce it throughout the year, or a specific time point. Okay, so a medium, it should be high viscosity, high power input for effective stream. Okay, so for the production you need to mix your media properly, so it should have a specific type of the viscosity, means it should not be very thick, it should not be very diluted. So the viscosity is a component of your media. Again, the pH, the temperature, the sources of nutrients should be uh, calibrated one by one. Okay, so if you are using a specific type of microorganism, so you have to check the optimal temperature for that first, and keeping the other constant, other variants constant. Okay, like you have to constant the temperature, the pH, and you change the carbon source. So by changing the carbon source, you will know that which carbon source is most effective or most productive for this type of microorganism. Again, next you keep the constant the carbon source and other things, and now change the nitrogen source. Okay, so which nitrogen source giving the best product, which nitrogen source giving the optimal means cost effective product and fast product to you, you will recognize by changing them. Likewise, you have to check one by one all the things: pH, temperature, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus. Okay, all the things you have to check. The oxidation and reduction processes. Okay, so the stage of the production, like you want to produce at the laboratory level, at the pilot scale, or at the industrial product, industrial level. Okay, that also affect the constitution of the your media. So in the next lecture we will continue to discuss about the production of the media and design of the media. And so I hope this is uh, you are satisfied with this detailed session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box, and I will respond and resolve your problem. This is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.